Hi guys, it is Tuesday and I want to start this video off by apologizing if I cough or sound terrible because I, if you follow me for a while, you know I have allergies, but I have severe allergies about twice a year, usually in July and November, and we're pretty darn close to November and it's been pouring rain here. So, anyway, the last 2 days I have been just not in good shape and on Benadryl. So, with that said and out of the way, yeah, I made a fantastic, cute, wonderful layout. If I do say so myself, I really do like the layout. I should not be kidding around. I don't want to sound terrible. But I really think it's adorable. Of course, the cut file did most of the work. This is for the Make Paper Art design team, and I used the file called Doodle Florals and Leaves. So I added a little something at the end of this video that is different than my norm. So if you watch it to the end and leave a comment below, you may win a little something something from me. But I will, tell you a little bit about the layout. So these leaves, I ended up taking a bunch of the leaves and the florals from Make Paper Art's cut file in the shop. It's an Etsy shop. And I just cut it out on white and I backed it with various papers that I didn't think that I would normally use. And that's what I really, really love about that option with doing cut files, because first of all, it makes your page look great. It does a lot of the work for you. But second of all, and I've said this many times, you can use papers that you would normally not use or isn't really your flavor or color palette anymore, and it just looks fantastic. So that's what I did here. I just dug into some of my stash for the background paper, and I think that's an old Recollections paper. And then I also backed the photo. Now the photo, you may be wondering, what is that? Well, I live in an area that is called Duck Creek, and it has a duck cut out of stone in one of the neighbors' yards. So I thought that was amazing. It just recently showed up. I've lived here forever, and I just think it's adorable. And it's a really big rock. I mean, this is not, I wish I had a comparison, but I don't know. This is not small. I can't even imagine trying to pick that up. That's probably got to weigh a good 100 pounds or more, maybe more. I don't know. Anyway, I decided, you're getting a little bit of preview here. I decided to get into my new my new ephemera from Cheeky Studio, and it is called Autumn Beauty, and it's going to be in the November kit, and I think that it went really well with this cut file and with the layout itself. And it kind of pulled in some of the colors from that picture, so it wasn't so monochromatic. The red added a little bit of pop. I also dug into my stash to use up one of these tassels. I believe it was from Cute Girl. And then I also pull some of the flare from Cheeky that is called Autumn Friends, and I use that apple, and I think that also adds a little pop of red. So I'm just trying to balance colors here, and so that's kind of, the goal. I do like to do some monochromatics with a little pop of color, and that's kind of my go-to style a lot of times. This is going to be my title, and it is This Place Here, and that is from an Oasis crate paper line. Those were in my stash. And And I'm trying to think of what else I did. I don't have the layout in front of me. It's pretty straightforward. Oh, I'm pulling some labels here from Heidi Swap, and I don't remember what they say. Hold on, let me grab my cheat sheet, or let me grab my layout. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm obviously very discombobulated. I can't even say the word, discombobulated. Okay, so the top label says, remember this forever. There is another one that says, on the next to the apple is create to remember. And the one at the bottom says, do small things with great love. And then I'm going to go into the pink paisley C'est La Vie labels, and I'm going to add those around the other labels to add a little pop of black. And so the one on the top is just going to be a cute little row of hearts that are gold, and then the one that's going to be next to the apple is going to say memories, and then the one at the bottom left is going to say remember. And I'm just kind of adding a few more gold puffy stickers around from that Oasis collection, and still working to build my clusters. So I do like that little cluster at the bottom. I think it turned out super cute. So the one in the center behind the leaf in the bottom, that's actually, I think that's the inside of one of the cut files. So not necessarily one that you would use, but I used it, so you can use it. And I'm going to end up using some splatters here. See if I wrote that down. In Mango Tango, it's a Vibes from Shimmers Mango Tango. I thought I'd add a couple of these little hearts that I love, but they don't end up making it on the page. So there are going to be still pictures at the end as usual. I am very sorry that I sound this way and am kind of brain fog on Benadryl, but that is the way it goes, I guess, sometimes. And hopefully I will feel better soon. I would feel great if you gave this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to have a link to Make Paper Art's Etsy shop in my description bar. I'm also going to have information on how to find me, and also some links to some other videos that you might like that I've done with design teams. So that's it. I appreciate you all. I hope it's not raining where you are. It's been raining for a month, over a month here. But we did get a couple of days off, which were beautiful, and I spent them outside. So, but it's raining again, and I'm staying in today. Ta-ta for now. Bye.